Developing a business plan is crucial for starting or growing a business. Here's a concise guide. Executive summary. Begin with a brief overview of your business idea, highlighting your mission, vision, and goals. Company description. Provide details about your company, including its history, location, legal structure, and a brief introduction of the products or services you offer. Market research. Analyze your target market, industry trends, and competitors. Identify your ideal customer and their needs. Product or service description. Explain what you offer and how it solves a problem or meets a need. Include pricing, production, and distribution details. Marketing and sales strategy. Outline your plan for reaching and attracting customers. Detail your sales and marketing approaches. Organization and management. Introduce your team and their roles. Define your organizational structure. Funding request. If you need financing, specify the amount required and how you plan to use it. Describe your current financial situation. Financial projections. Create financial forecasts, including income statements, cash flow projections, and balance sheets. Detail your assumptions. SWOT analysis. Analyze your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Implementation plan. Explain how you will execute your business plan, including key milestones and timelines. Monitoring and measurement. Outline how you will track your business's performance and success. Set the key performance indicators. Appendix. Include any additional documents or information that supports your plan, such as resumes, market research data, or legal documents. Editing and review. Proofread and edit your business plan to ensure clarity, accuracy, and professionalism.